Let's move into the for loop. Maybe you can give one more section, like when we give a double percentage and a space, then it will create a section. Okay, so what is the advantage of having a section? Then I can run it via sections. So when you click on the same area, like you have a section, right? It is highlighted with a yellowish type of background, right?
Yes.
So that yellowish type of background represents the area in which the complete section is distributed. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so if you want to run only the part which is inside the section, then you need to go inside the section and press Control Enter. It will execute that. Okay, so let's have a try on that one by the for loop. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So go to the last of the file which you have, this one, to the end. Yeah, maybe the new line. Yeah, enter. Yeah, go inside. Yeah, double enter, and give double percentage space for loop in MATLAB. Space for loop in MATLAB. Okay. So in one script, you can have multiple codes and you can execute them independently.
Okay.